Let us now have Category 2, MAPE DRRM Mixed Company. Entry number 1, Casugad National High School, Casugad, Bulacan, Camarines Sur. JC Nunez, Troop Commander. Mariel B. Borjal, Troop S1. Clarence D. Arevalo, Troop S2. Jake Cedric B. Rito, Troop S3. Micaela B. Willos, Troop S4. Majorette Leader, Nonch Maria Jesusa B. Bolo. DPC Band Leader, Ana Nicole B. Bianco. MAPE Company Commander, Princess Nicole A. Tayen. MAPE Company XO, Francia May N. Alcura. First Platoon Leader, MAPE DRRM Boys, Jovan A. Ganalon. Second Platoon Leader, MAPE DRRM Girls, Jessina P. Wazon. School Head Principal TIC, Renan F. Luzon. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Felix P. Aquino. Assistant, Danilo R. Pagobo Jr. and Joy Daniela. Majors Coordinator, Queenie D. Sedan and Annabel G. Reyes. DBC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Meloy Jasper D. Blanquera and Charlene Mercado. Casugad National High School, Casugad, Bulacan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much, Casugad National High School.